Earthquake in Tangshan, 1976, created and narrated by Jacob Segmiller. On July 28, 1976, in Tangshan, a city in China in the Hebei province, weird things were going on. Chickens were refusing to eat, mice and other rodents went into hiding, and the residents claimed to have heard loud noises and to have seen lights, or fireballs as they described them, in the sky. No one could explain what was going on. Until at 3:42 a.m., it happened. Tangshan was hit with a 7.5 magnitude earthquake, lasting 23 seconds and destroying the city of Tangshan. Tangshan had no idea that it was located above a plate boundary. So why did this happen? As it turns out, Tangshan sits on a plate boundary now known as the Tangshan Fault. Previously leading up to this earthquake, there were smaller earthquakes occurring on the same fault in surrounding cities, causing small ruptures or breaks around the boundary. This led to a strike-slip fault occurring, causing this earthquake in Tangshan. A strike-slip fault is similar to a transform fault in which the plates move in opposite directions, grinding past each other. The result of this natural disaster was a reported 242,000 deaths, but the number is believed to be as high as 655,000. In addition, there were 700,000 injured in the disaster. The high death tolls were a result of infrastructure not being built carefully due to the lack of knowledge of the fault below them. Many buildings crumbled, killing those inside. 93% of residential buildings, 78% of industrial buildings, 80% of water pumps, and 14% of water pipes were destroyed as a result. This also caused a process known as liquefaction to occur, where the deep soil became fluid, a big reason so many buildings fell, as they were dependent on the soil for the building to stand. Sand blow also occurred, leading to crops dying in neighboring cities. Another result of this occurred at 6:45 p.m. on the same day in Luanshan, 43 miles northeast, where they experienced a 7.1 magnitude aftershock, following in pattern with the earthquakes causing another in surrounding cities. The government wanted to rebuild without the help of others and refused financial help from the United Nations. Without this, the debris cleanup was not taken seriously until September of 1981, and residents could not move back into permanent housing until 1985. Despite this, Tangshan rebuilt to what it is today. Thanks to its mining turning into economic success, Tangshan is now a big player in the steel and iron trade industry, leading to the overall success after the rebuild 40 years later. These are the references I used. The first three and the last one were for the research, and the remaining ones were from the pictures.